Now it's ready to put back the liquid glass. Before we put it back, we can always try to make sure this is clean. It's really dirty inside. Okay, get the liquid glass. Okay, just lay on the top. One thing had to be careful, make sure the the liquid glass is inside of the plastic film, so when we snap back the metal film, it won't have any cracks. Okay, so we're gonna hold it. Or you can add a piece of tip on four corner either way, but this screen should be fine because it's a so big screen. So, okay. Okay, four corner, good. So we're gonna put this screw back. 3 screws, remember, to holding this interface board. One. This screw is so tiny. Alright. Damn, so tiny this screw. Then we're gonna pull this one out. Just put it back the same location. Put back this, just seal it back because it has a adhesive tip on it. So then we're gonna secure this one. What I would like to do is just take a tip. Oops. Just add a piece of tape on the top so it can secure these wires. Just like that. Do the same on this end. Okay. Just put it back. I think I forgot to do it like this. On this end. Underneath that. Yeah, here we go. It's done. So basically, you just connect to this both end. It doesn't matter, each end goes each end. And this one comes with 6-pin pigtail. Red is for the input voltage. It accepts anywhere between 12 to 24 volts. Black wire is for the ground. White wire is for the ADJ, brightness adjustment. Usually there's no connection. Yellow wire is really important. You have to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts to turn this inverter on and off. If you couldn't find those 5 volts, there's a small JP2 pack. You short it out, then no connection on it. You just apply positive, negative. Should fire up the LED strip. Okay, thank you for watching.